Nestled in the Sussex Weald, yet only a mile from the sea, Fairlight End is a naturalistic 21st century garden. This beautifully designed garden spans 3 acres, blending traditional and contemporary landscaping elements, featuring extensive wildflower meadows with mown paths, an orchard, a hazel coppice and 2 natural ponds. There's also a model kitchen garden with 30 raised beds. Created by the owners, who are passionate about sustainable gardening, Fairlight End features a stunning variety of native and exotic plants that thrive in harmony with the local environment. The garden's careful attention to biodiversity ensures that it is a sanctuary for birds, bees and butterflies. Informally clipped groups of hornbeam, hawthorn, holly, pine and yew are scattered through the garden, their shapes reflecting those of the hedgerows and tree canopies in the borrowed landscape beyond the garden. Near to the house there is a split-level garden with a Corten steel wall and plant supports, herbaceous plantings and decking all around an ancient cherry tree. There's a hanging garden where 2 sets of steps lead from the house to the meadows below, and a winter garden intersected by a sinuous Corten steel wall. All the steel features in the garden were made in a foundry 7 miles away. The Corten steel looks great set against the brick and tile features of the house. It is unshrinkingly modern, yet it recognises that centuries ago the Sussex Weald was alive to the sights and sounds of ironworking. Fairlight End received a 2015 award from the Sussex Heritage Trust. The judge's citation commented, "A thoughtful and beautiful integration of the countryside and garden landscape with contemporary elements such as steel borders in an infinity style. Sculptural pieces complement the listed house and act as plant supports. Old character trees add a timeless feel to the new plantings.